Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with chapter 8 of class 10th similar triangles, page number 205, example 4. What is the question given? In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and E, F are the points on non-parallel sides AD, BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Okay. Draw a rough figure of trapezium, guys. So mention all the given points. So ABCD is a trapezium, okay, and E, F are the points of non-parallel sides. Here AD, BC are the non-parallel sides, guys. Okay, such that EF is parallel to AB. We need to show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. That one we need to show. First mention all the given points, what is given in the question and what is given in the statement. Okay, given that ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD and E, F are the points on the non-parallel sides AD, BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. These are all given in the statement itself, that is question. So mention all those. We need to prove that, or we need to show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Okay, now construction part. What a construction part indicates that, see, from the given statement we cannot prove this theorem or this sum. So we need to take some additional steps, okay, to the given figure. So that is nothing but the construction part. So I am taking a diagonal from A to C, so that it meets at a point G, guys. So this dotted line is a construction part. To get the proof of this sum, I have taken some extra step from the given figure. Okay, so I have mentioned here we need to take some additional steps to the given statement. Okay, that is construction part. Therefore, join the line segment A to C to intersect EF at point G. Okay, this line, draw a dotted line. Okay, this dotted line meets at a point at the line segment E, F at the point G. Okay, now so given that AB is parallel to CD, that is given in the question, and EF is parallel to AB, that is also given in the question. Now from these two, guys, see, if a line is parallel to other side and if second line is parallel to other side, then it is parallel to each other. Both are parallel to each other. So similar to that concept, we can write this one as EF is parallel to CD, guys. Since lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other, if A is parallel to CD, then and EF is parallel to AB, then EF is automatically parallel to CD, guys. I will show in this. Guys, if AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to AB, then EF is automatically parallel to the CD. That is a property we have in parallel conditions. Now we need to show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC, right? We need to consider two triangles, guys. To show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC, we need to consider two triangles, guys. From this figure, from this construction part figure, we need to take ADC, one triangle, and CAB. We need to take this portion and this portion to solve this sum or solve this theorem. Now, okay, that only I mentioned here. We need to consider two triangles, that is triangle ADC and triangle CAB. So I have taken a part of the figure, guys, for your easy understanding. I have taken this triangle and this triangle, and I have taken separately, and we will prove accordingly. So in a triangle ADC, EG is parallel to DC, guys. EG is parallel to DC. So if a line is parallel to third side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio as per the BPT statement, right? So mention that only. AE by ED equal to AG by GC. Why we got this statement? Because EG is parallel to DC. According to Basic Proportionality Theorem, what it states? It states that if a line is parallel to third side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That only I mentioned. This is of triangle ADC. Now coming to triangle CAB, guys. GF is parallel to AB. GF is parallel to AB. So again, by BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem, mention the point. Mention that point CG by GA equal to CF by FB, or we can write AG by GC equal to BF by FC. This is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, guys, eliminate the repeated term and write down the other terms. So it becomes AE by ED equal to BF by FC. That only they are asking to prove, right? Okay. I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again. For any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.